Meaning of greenskeeper.
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 Greenskeeper. A greenskeeper is a person who is responsible for maintaining and caring for a golf course. Their job duties may include mowing the grass, watering the course, fertilizing and seeding the greens, repairing damaged areas, and performing general maintenance tasks on equipment. A skilled greenskeeper is essential to ensuring that a golf course is in top condition for players to enjoy. They must have a good understanding of horticulture, irrigation, and soil management techniques to maintain the health and beauty of the course. Overall, the greenskeeper plays a crucial role in the success of any golf course.